I'm sure you know strings in Swift, but do you know that exists a variant called static strings? Let me explain. Static string is an immutable type in Swift. It's used when the string value is known and fixed during compilation. Regular string is dynamic and can change at runtime, while static string is designed for scenarios where immutability and performance are critical. You'll often find static string in functions like assert, file error, and precondition. These functions use static strings to log file name that is well known at compile time and will never change during execution. Another improvement of static strings over strings is when you need to manipulate UTF-8 bytes. Let's see this benchmark, where I'm converting a regular string and a static string 100,000 times to UTF-8. In this example, static string accesses its UTF-8 representation directly with minimal overhead, whereas string requires dynamic memory allocation and copying, resulting in additional processing time. I admit this example is a bit forced, but let me show you one more use case that might be useful. You can use static strings in C interoperability. It can be directly converted to a const-char pointer, which is widely used in C APIs. Here, I have a very simple log function in C, and I've created a bridge to use it in Swift. Since that static strings provide direct access to UTF-8 bytes, with this simple operation, we can call the clog message function and convert the static string to const-char pointer without any overhead. By the way, all those demos are in the description below. Now, should you start using static strings everywhere? Absolutely no. As I said, static string is ideal for compile time strings, offering better performance and immutability compared to string, commonly used in debugging, logging, and C, C++ interoperability. But for the 99% of the time, I recommend you to keep using regular strings unless you realize that your code needs a boost in performance or any interaction with low-level languages. However, I'm sure you just learned something new today. If that's the case, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Swift tips. Let me know in the comments if you have used static strings in your projects. Remember, my name is Pete, and this is Swift Tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.